with the precision and the flair, creating a dancing display of color and movements. The balloons seem to come alive in their hands as they twist, turn, and spin to the music.
See how they are inflating the excitement, balloons rising high.
ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துருவாங்கம்மா.
Orange, green, blue, yellow balloons are all dancing in perfect harmony. The students are marching, yelling and running and balloons in unison.
பரவாயில்ல ஒரு பண்ண பண்ணு.
What a delightful display of energy and enthusiasm.
What a fabulous display of teamwork, coordination, and creativity. Let's give a big round of applause to our Balloonal team for their phenomenal performance. What has our students said and floral tapestry of movement and color showcasing